Myself Nishant Shekhar, and currently I'm a working professional at Cisco Systems. My job role revolves around network, application and infrastructure security. My journey for cybersecurity started around 10 years ago. I was very much eager to learn, so I explored this domain in depth. Since then, I have completed multiple industry standard certifications. Out of all, couple of them has also been administered by EC Council. To name a few, they are Certified Ethical Hacker, Computer Hacking and Forensic Investigator, Certified Threat Intelligence Analyst. My role doesn't completely involve threat intelligence, but this helps shaping the end-to-end aspect of cybersecurity. While carrying out threat intelligence, the most challenging part that comes into play is to figure out all the attack surface or the landscape that will potentially lead a bad actor to exploit and compromise the entire system. CTIA is just a small subset of the giant cybersecurity. A part of penetration testing utilizes the knowledge gained in this certification that has helped me analyze the risk factor and counter the threat that can be posed by a cyber criminal. I was very much determined and focused towards learning and taking the certification exam. The modules provided are really great, and it's easy to understand and grasp the concept of how threat intelligence digital forensics helps mitigate the cyber threat, thereby making it smooth to secure the system and the organization as a whole. I enjoyed the learning journey a lot. Couple of topics that I enjoyed learning more are advanced persistent threat, indicators of compromise, tactics, techniques and procedures, cybersecurity methodology, pyramid of pain. The CTIA is not about cybersecurity. It's not going to teach you how, what, and why of cybersecurity. Rather, it focuses on a very particular area of security, that is intelligence, forensics, identifying, monitoring, and thereby countering the threat that could otherwise be exploited by the cyber criminals. CTIA also covers governance, compliance, and operations. So you also get to explore this critical domain as well. I have taken multiple other certifications and seen other programs as well, but CTIA is just great to opt for. Even if you have a very basic understanding of security, this could be the certification for you. If you would not like to master this domain and use it in your day-to-day job role, it would still be a very great learning experience for you, as a part of this will always be helpful even if you are not into the role of a threat intelligence analyst. But by having the right knowledge and skill set, you could always make sure that your efforts are put right to not leave any loopholes for the bad actors to penetrate into your system or application, which eventually is going to make the organization safe and more secure. The knowledge or the skills learned from this program has helped me enhance my application security tasks, penetration testing, as well as risk management to a great extent. CTIA is a part and parcel of cybersecurity. Regardless of which domain of cybersecurity you work on, directly or indirectly, you will come across a situation wherein you will have to apply the knowledge learned from this certification. Maybe it will be to a very smaller extent, but it will be critical today or at later stages. It helps SOC as it covers operations, governance, which is the basic job function of a SOC analyst. Once you are determined to take the exam, do not stop in between. There is no looking back. Keep yourself inspired and make it to the finish line. Try to keep your learning phase a fun, and trust me, it will be a great learning experience for you all in the end. Success doesn't rush. The greatest reward is the journey. And remember, it's not over till it's over. So good luck, stay safe, take care, bye bye. This is Nishant Shekhar signing off.